Good day, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Protonmail account. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and dial in Protonmail in your browser, and it should be the first result. So this will be proton.me. As you can see over here, we're going to click on that, and we are going to be taken into their home page. Now, from the home page, you can see up over here it says create a free account at the top right hand side, and we are going to click on this. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is choose the package that you would like to use. Now, just for example purposes, I'm going to go ahead and use the free package. You do get up to 1 gigabyte mail storage. You have one user allowed, and you get one email address. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on that, and it just does prompt you to try and purchase premium, but for now that's fine. We're just going to continue and go ahead with the Proton free. So in the next page, you're going to start entering in some details of your for your Proton account. So the first step over here is a username. So here you can put in whatever you would like your username to be. So let's just say Bob12345, and then we are going to put in a password, and we're going to have to repeat that password. So once you are done with that, you can see over here that there is a create account button, and we're going to click on this. Now, if this username is not available, what will happen is it'll say username already used. So what we can do is we can just maybe change it up. Over here, you can see that you'll have to verify that you are a human, and if you're not a human, you are in trouble at this stage. However, I am going to complete this puzzle and tap on next. You also have the option to go ahead and save your password for this account, and we're just going to go ahead and close this. Now, as you can see, this Protonmail page is loading, and it is now created. You've now created your account. Now, if this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.